Hi, I'm Kennedy. Today I want to share some music with you that I made on the Korg MS20. The Korg MS20 is a pretty classic keyboard from the 1970s, and Korg has done a great job recently with the rebuild of it. This keyboard's been used on so many tracks and albums over the years, and sci-fi movies. You've heard it more times than you care to remember. What I really love about this keyboard and makes it unique is that it's got two separate filters in it, a high bandpass and a low bandpass filter, and both of those filters really love to self-oscillate and squeal. And I thought, hey, can I take squealing electronics and turn it into some type of piece of music? I said, why not? Let's try. So we did try that. I've taken 3 takes of this and I ran it through a Electro-Harmonix Graphic-Fuzz. This is an old guitar pedal from the 1990s. First, this is without. Now let's try it with it in. And then I feed that over to my mixer, and I mix in an Eventide Timefactor and an old Yamaha SPX50D, and that has the classic reverb hall sound turned all the way up to 99 seconds. I take those two and then I feed them back upon themselves so that they start to self-oscillate and resonate, and then I feed them into each other and then back upon themselves and then on all these loops, so I can create an atmosphere in the background between the reverb and the Eventide delay that kind of creates a drone airy background within it. On the bottom I've got a Moog Subsequent 37, and that creates a drone from which I can then do some harmonic content comparisons to keep it interesting for you as I try to make these filters oscillate. Let's have a listen to 99 seconds of hall reverb on the SPX50 from Yamaha, and then what we'll do is add in a mix of some of the Eventide Timefactor and then see how the two of them blend together once when they start resonating. We'll do some sounds on the Moog as a reference. It can last for quite a while. You've got to remember, it's 1 minute and 39 seconds there. So this time we're going to bring in the time factor. I'm going to bring this up so that you can also hear how it resonates in with it. Let's try that. This can get pretty out of control if you let it. So it's important to find a happy spot for it and not let it get too wild and feedback upon itself too much. So with that I can make it last very long or short. The other feedback loop I have in here is actually the feedback loop within the keyboard itself. I've come the signal out into its external processor, and then I've come out into the trigger out, so I'm using the envelope detector in it and adjusting the threshold level so that I can trigger the keyboard back upon itself, and I'm triggering a G note there which matches with the drone. So this creates those kind of watery, bubbly sounds. So I hope you enjoy. I put some videotape in there from video from tours in Australia and other parts of Nova Scotia. So I hope you enjoy it all. It's a little psychedelic there sometimes and fun. And leave your comments and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.